5 DevOps mistakes that will cost you. DevOps is one of the most in-demand disciplines in technology. But beginners and even experienced practitioners make critical mistakes. Here are 5 that can seriously set you back. Mistake 1. Treating DevOps as only a technical discipline. DevOps is as much about culture and communication as it is about tools. Engineers who focus exclusively on the technical side and ignore the collaborative aspects will find their implementation struggling. Mistake 2. Automating without understanding. Automating a broken process just makes the broken process happen faster. Before automating anything, understand it thoroughly. Mistake 3. Neglecting monitoring and observability. Many DevOps beginners focus on deployment pipelines and ignore what happens after deployment. If you cannot see what your systems are doing in production, you are flying blind. Mistake 4. Skipping documentation. Infrastructure as code and automated pipelines are powerful, but they need clear documentation. When something breaks at 2 a.m., documentation is what saves you. Mistake 5. Not practicing incident response. Every production system will eventually have an incident. Teams that have never practiced their incident response process perform poorly under real pressure. Run regular drills. Know your runbooks. DevOps done well is one of the most impactful contributions an engineer can make to an organization. Avoiding these mistakes puts you on the right path.